guys, I'm Kira, and today you'll learn how to pronounce the word произношение, or pronunciation. Think of the phrase, put a sock in it. For my international audience, this is a fun way to say, be quiet. Let's say it really fast. Put a sock in it. Put a sock in it. The T in put is just like a flipped Russian R. Let's practice the first two words in the phrase. Pura. Pura. And now emphasize the A and make the U almost disappear. Pura. Pura. This is very close to the P and R in the first syllable of our word. Let's make the A vowel sound more like a schwa, and let's start with good Russian default mouth position. Jaw slightly forward, tip of the tongue behind the bottom teeth, lips rounded and protruded. Pura. Pura. The second syllable is straightforward, and the O in the next syllable sounds like an A-flavored schwa. Let's do the first three syllables together. Schwa, Think, lips. Pro-iz-no. Pro-iz-no. Произно. Произно. The schwa is pronounced with the tip of the tongue curved upward, but with most of the tongue low. Sh, sh. Not sh with a high tongue, but sh with a low tongue. The tongue rises at the end of this syllable to prepare for the soft N, which sounds like it has a Y built into it, and the last ye sounds like a schwa. Let's do the last three syllables together. Schwa, Think, lips. Шение. 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 Now the whole thing. Schwa, Think, lips. Произношение. 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 That's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube, share my videos, suggest a word, join me on Patreon, and check out my video course at unlockingrussianpronunciation.org, where I explain why some letters sound different in certain situations and how you can learn to predict and pronounce all of the subtleties. And if you teach Russian and you like my videos, please consider tagging me on Instagram so your students can see them too. Счастливо!